Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook country location, laptop or PC. So the first thing we want to do is log into our Facebook. Okay, so once you log into your Facebook, what you want to do next is go to your profile account right here, click on it, then click on settings and privacy. All right, so you want to click on settings. So once it loads up, so you want to scroll down to language and region right here, click on it. All right, so now we're in language and settings. This is the option we're looking for, region format. Okay, select choose. All right, so right here you can select the region that you want. Okay, so as you can see, it says changes saved. Okay, then you can, so once you've done that, that's it. So this is how you change Facebook location on a laptop. It's simple and easy. If you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.